Hi, I am Manoj. I basically belongs to Jamshedpur. So I have completed my engineering in the stream of electronics department. So after completion of my engineering, so I didn't get any place. After completion of my engineering, I didn't get any place. So one of my friends suggests me to go at QSpiders and join over there. So he already got place, so he suggests me. So I came at QSpiders. So here I was doing testing course. So here while doing testing course, like here staff guide me a lot and like teach me like how to do presentation and how to give mock. So here I gain my knowledge in API and manual testing and Java. This helped me a lot to get a job. So talking about my qualification journey, so after completion of my engineering, so like 2 years I have worked for sales company. So there I didn't see any terms of growth. So I thought let's go and move to IT department because my engineering, my EC department, I belongs to EC department, is combination of hardware and software. So I moved to here Bangalore at QSpiders. QSpiders helped me a lot to get a job. So here in QSpiders, like all the staff are like helpful. So they used to support the student whenever the doubt is there. They used to clear the doubt, and like I wanna thanks to all VIP sir and all the staffs, and especially I will tell to all the students do presentation. This help you a lot to get a crack the interview and get a confidence. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.